What's up, guys? Viper FPV here, and today we have our January 2021 FPVCRATE box. And if you're unfamiliar what FPVCRATE is, it's pretty much a 5-inch subscription box for FPV pilots to build their own little 5-inch FPV drone. I don't believe it's mainly 5 inches. I think they might play around with maybe doing a little bigger, but I think mainly we've got in the past is 5-inch frames and like racing frames and stuff like that. So what I'm going to do is unbox this month's box, see exactly what we got inside, and kind of give you guys my thoughts of what we got. So let's go ahead and unbox it, and down below while we're unboxing it, I will let you know as the affiliate link down below if you want to check out this month's box. Well, check out picking up one of these boxes. It does help support the channel and help support me. But without further ado, let's go ahead and finish unboxing this here. All right, so we got our little thank you card here. We do got some stickers, some V-Locks motor stickers. My other ride is a long range FPV Explorer. Pretty cool stickers. I like them. I like the little space theme. I like them. Cool. And then we got our 10% off on a QAVS mini frame. This is kind of similar to what we got in the sub 250 box. And you get 10% off one of those frames if you wanted to get one. Got some props here. We got 3 sets here of, where are they? I have to put it close to me. T4943 gray T-motor props. So these are actually, I actually like these props. They're really aggressive. I like how they actually feel in the air. Wow, look at this stuff we got this month. We got, looks like a little scale. I can use actually another scale for some of my review videos. So cool. Got a scale. We got a lanyard, a T-motor lanyard. And without further ado, we got some awesome motors here. 2206.5 1750 kV motors. Are they going to try to build a racing quad next? Is that what the deal is? Man, looks like a big motor for 2206. Huh. Let's finish taking it out of the package and take a look at this thing. Oh, they're actually kind of cool. They're V-Locks motors, and they have like little ridges on them, kind of like where the chrome ones had. I actually did a review on them. I actually really like these motors actually a lot. These are just a little smaller, and I guess the motor bell size, 2206.5 1750 kV. I like them. They feel really good. So maybe that's what we're building next, is a racing quad, or maybe, I'm not sure. Leave a comment down below what you think we're going to be building next on these next frame, I guess they're going to be probably giving us down below, and let me know what you guys thought about this month's box. But without further ado, I'm going to let you guys go. This is Viper FPV, and I'll see you guys in a future video. If you want to check out what we got in other boxes and interested in subscribing to FPVCRATE, go ahead and check out the video description down below. But I'll see you guys in a future video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Peace.